When it comes to scaling your business, it's important that you have appropriate and professional videos. And there are brand new tools out there right now to actually showcase and use AI to make your video recordings a lot better. One of those is Trupiee, and actually it's my favorite one out there because they use AI so effectively and completely change the game when it comes to creating content. Let's dive into the video. So this is Trupiee, and this is one of my favorite platforms out there because these guys help you create fantastic product demos using AI. And all you got to do is actually just put in a screen recording that's rough using your voice and recording your screen showing a product demo. Now, this could be good for multiple different reasons, whether it is updating a product and getting that video out onto your website, whether it's educational content like tutorials, how to do things online, or whether it is just promotional content for your products as well. If you're launching a new startup, this could be a great way to save money without having to go through a whole editing and hiring process for editors, actors, etc. So let's actually dive into this and I'll show you exactly how it works. So here we are on the back end of Trupiee. So this is what you see when you log in, and you can get started for free here. So this is fantastic. So here we can see this is my content library. This is actually where I have recorded one of my products here. That product is Escrow Bro. It's an escrow service. So I basically want to make a tutorial video on how to use it. So what we're going to do here is actually go ahead and download the extension onto our Chrome browser. And you can see I've done that there. And then from that, what we can do is press create new and then start new recording. After you press start new recording, you basically go to your page and then go ahead and do your product demo. You can talk, you can do whatever, but let me just show you the demo I made here. So if we press play here, I've actually downgraded my quality here just so it's a little bit more realistic for the average starter here. But let's just take a look at how this sounds. So here we are going to be actually demoing the product here for Escrow Bro. Now, this is our escrow service, and what we're going to do is actually purchase something by clicking the purchase button. So you get the gist of it. It's not the best video, but the on screen is actually just showing how to use the product. So we're going to use this. Basically, Trupiee will take this and use AI to make it way better. And we can even go up here and select templates to get our own avatar or voice actor here to actually show us what's going on, and it looks incredibly realistic, like they're doing the product demo itself. So let's go ahead and press sales demo here, select template, and from that point, we can basically press the settings as well and say, hey, generate document, generate video content. So let's do that, and then press this nice big purple button. And now it's going to process my recording. This will only take a few moments, and from that point, as you can see, already 40%, pretty decent. From that point, we can go ahead and tinker with this. It really doesn't take a lot of effort. This is why I love this platform, because it's going to do a lot of the heavy lifting for us. Now, you could do this with AI voiceovers. You could use your own voice. You can get AI avatars, or even create your own avatar with this platform. And this is something that's fantastic. It's really, really raised the quality of my business and my product videos. Now, as you can see, it's already got a pretty decent demo for us here. So let's just watch this and see how it looks.
Let's dive into Escrow Bro, our top-notch escrow service. Start by clicking the purchase button to begin a transaction. Here you can enter a title and add a description effortlessly. Enter buying Bitcoin as the title and buy Bitcoin for USDT in the description. Then choose how much Bitcoin to buy. Select one Bitcoin and press continue. Now on this screen, input the address of your party. Choose from various features like regular payment or milestone payments. If opting for milestones, payment is made per milestone, ideal for pre-sales. But let's select regular payment, set the delivery deadline for 1 hour, and initiate the trade. Enter the address and commence the trade. Now, we await our Ethereum.
So that's pretty incredible because it's zooming in on certain aspects that I'm talking about in the video. And we can see I did get a bit of a hiccup here because I didn't have the address here to put in. But overall, I am very, very impressed with the first half of this video. Now we can take this and actually tinker with it. We could submit a new recording where I don't mess up so much. But what's super important is it's highlighting exactly what I want it to highlight with effective zooms, and it's doing all of the editing with AI for us. So honestly, I'm super impressed with this product. I would highly recommend it, and I'm definitely going to continue using it for all of my different startups. So let's go ahead and see if we can iron out some of those issues, but those issues were really just my fault. But we can see here, we have the entire script on the left-hand side. This is fantastic. Now what we can do is take different sections here, actually edit it as we want. So this is going to be where all of the zooms are and stuff like this. We can even go ahead and change the AI voice if we wanted to as well. So if we wanted a female voice, we can do that, or we can go ahead and create our own custom voice. But overall, just off the bat, uploading a recording, this thing absolutely nails it. And if we wanted to, we can add an AI avatar to this as well. This could be great for feature adoption, new user onboarding, and just the general digital success of your company. So let's say you do have your own SaaS product and you just added a brand new feature, or you could just quickly record that feature, throw it in here, and it's going to create an entire video to update everyone about that feature and how to use it. It's also super effective for new user onboarding, especially for companies moving towards more of a self-serve model. Because these videos are quite small as well, you can actually embed these into emails sometimes. So this could help with user outreach or internal training for your company. And if you do have older walkthroughs that need updating, well, what you could do is just upload it to this, and actually it's going to help based on your guidance to actually get the video up to date and repurpose that video, or better, onboarding across different geos without needing to re-record from scratch. And why is that useful? Well, if you do have a bigger company or company in different countries, they do have different languages that you can choose as well. So if I have an old video in English and I have a brand new branch in Spain, then I can then remake the video, use AI, select Spanish, and it's going to remake that video for me in Spanish. So there are tons of business benefits, internal and external, when it comes to sales, when it comes to training, when it comes to just generally showing off your products. And if you're a course creator, imagine creating a course in literally a few minutes here, simply by recording and then uploading to this, and then it's going to do all of the zooms and everything for you. You don't even need to have your voice in it because the AI voice can handle that. So you could actually make multiple courses over the span of one day. So that's actually going to decrease the time spent making the courses and content, and also increase the customer onboarding because you can provide more content. But how much does this fantastic platform cost? Well, we can see here there is the free version. That's what we use today. And honestly, guys, it works fantastically. But if you wanted to go a little bit higher here, you could get the $40 per month version. You're going to get 20 AI video minutes, unlimited AI guides, unlimited video exports, and recordings of up to 8 minutes long, which is perfect for course content. Now, for $200 per month, you could do 100 AI video minutes, and yes, a bunch more features here too, including adding your team members to this workspace as well. So if you have a bigger team, this could be good for having 3 editors all creating content for you with the help of AI. And guys, if you use the code Trupeer10 when you check out, you're actually going to get a discount on this too. So even more benefits from actually clicking the link in the description and buying this product. But that is Trupeer, definitely something that is innovating and changing the space. And I see this thing getting a lot of market share, and honestly, it's massively helped me in scaling my businesses. So that's going to be it for this video. Definitely check out Trupeer in the description, and we'll see you guys in the next one.